Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the tag type and arranging tools so nothing moves. If it's magnetic, you'll need a strong magnet. If it's pin-driven, prepare pliers and a thin, flat driver. Place the garment or item on a cloth to avoid scratches and face the tag toward you. Once positioned, apply steady pressure and visually inspect seams and joints. This tells you where to insert tools. Make sure to proceed slowly so you don't damage the item's fabric or finish. You now focus on the actual release method based on what you found. For magnetic locks, slide a strong magnet across the cap while applying slight upward force. You'll feel a give when the internal latch moves. For pin-style locks, wedge a thin driver between cap and body and twist to relieve tension while pulling the pins straight out with pliers. For ink-based units, isolate the locking mechanism and pry the cap off without puncturing the reservoir to prevent permanent staining. You finish by separating the tag components gently and inspecting the item for any damage. If the pin remains, don't yank. Alternate small pry points and repeat the release motion. Once removed, store parts safely or discard per local rules. If the lock stays stubborn, switch to a stronger magnet or perform incremental rotations and lifts rather than one big pull. If you see resistance or hear grinding, stop and reassess to avoid tearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.